Hey guys, this is Norm Farrar from Private Label Legion with another great Amazon update. Amazon just announced some revisions to Amazon Post, but before I get into it, make sure you check out privatelabellegion.com, and for other great free information, head over to our Facebook group and don't forget to give us a like. All right, here's what I heard. Sellers received an email from Amazon about a pretty cool revision regarding Amazon Post. This is Amazon's own social media platform. Soon you'll be able to take posts and put them onto your product listing. Yep, you'll be able to see them right on your listing. But in typical Amazon fashion, they did not release really any details. I'm hoping you'll only be able to put your posts on, but who knows, you might have to put you and share it with your competitors. Don't worry about this. The good news is your competitors are also going to have to share your post. I'm not sure how it's going to roll out, but I'm sure it's going to be one of those two ways. I've always been a fan of Amazon Post because of the shoppable post. It takes a series of clicks before you can buy something. Now, most people, especially in e-com, would say that's terrible. It's terrible marketing because the more you click, the more people fall off. Well, the reason for this and the reason why I like it so much is because it takes 4 or 5 clicks. You see the post, you click on it, then you have to click on another post, then you have to click on the summary to the detail page, then you click on the detail page. At the end of the day, you can buy the product. Why do I like it? Because it's kicking off the tire kickers all the way down just for people whoever loves your product. So you've got people who have gone down 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks and they've bought your products. They want your products. And it also helps you build a community around your brand. Posts are currently in beta, but the buzz around the town is that they're going to be rolling out shortly. I don't know what time frame. I've heard it from different sources that they are going to be rolling out within weeks or months. Presently, you have to be in the US and you have to have brand registry. Presently, posts are only available in the US and must be brand registered. You can find posts by using your mobile app, searching the product that you're looking for, and going to the product page. You can scroll down. Just above the questions, you'll see related posts. Now keep in mind, they're on your product page, but even better, they're on your competitor's product page and vice versa. You can find them also on your brand store or in your brand store, which links directly to your brand feed page. And you can also drive traffic to your brand feed page. Navigating posts is a little confusing. You select a post, and then you either click the logo, which is going to take you over to the brand feed page, or you click the image, which is going to take you to a carousel, which allows not only your post or the brand that you're looking at's post, but all the related competitors' posts. Once you make that initial click, you'll be able to also search by category. And then you'll be able to see all the category related posts. I told you it could be a little bit confusing, but all you have to do is try it once or twice and you'll get the hang of it. Be an early adopter. It's simple. Go to post.amazon.com and create a profile and start posting. All you'll need to take advantage of this great new feature are 10 posts. Create 10 posts and you can have the competitive edge on your competition. And here's a tip. If you want to use your present social media posts, no problem. You can repurpose them or reach out to influencers, or using your product insert, ask people to tag you on Instagram and then use an app like Repost to download those images to your photos and then upload them to posts. I've been working with posts since day one. I see their value and I've created detailed videos on how to use posts and how to take full advantage of them. If you're interested, you can check them out on our various social media channels. Now, to get more great information, head over to Private Label Legion Facebook group. Just give us a like if you like what you heard, ring that bell, and you'll receive updated notifications whenever we send out content.